Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about right join. Okay, let's see. So the right join return the every row from the right table plus row that matches values in the join column from the left table opposite to left join. Okay. When right table row doesn't have a match in the left table, the result show no value. Okay, let's see. Yes, when in previous video also we have a uh, query where the okay, let's see p greater than 500 in left join also the if in the left table and right table program b, suppose program b is greater than, if a program is less than 0 has no value, so it will showing no record. Let's see. Yes, same. It still in left join, it still not showing the all record of feature, because if the match, no, if the match and the where condition filter no result, then teacher table also not display, teacher table also not display any value. That's it. Okay. So let's focus on right join. Syntax is select table 1 dot column 1 table 2 table 2 dot column 1 from table 1 right join table 2. Now using or on as you want. On table 1 dot column 1, that is common column, equal to table 2 dot column 1. That's it. Let's see it with the help of example. Suppose we have a left product and right product table. So connect these two table from, so left product right join right product. On left product dot id equal to right product dot id. That's it. Let's run the query, but we haven't selected any value. If I use here star, then it will fetch 5 value. Let's see. So here you can see that from the right table all values are fetched, and from the left table the left table match these five values are coming, and these four values are not present in the left table, so that it will return as a, it will return but as a null, because all the values from this table we need to import, that is product name that we need to, that right join fetch all the values from the right table. Okay. Suppose let's see this with the help of example. List all program with teacher name and program name. So what you guys think that, oh, which is the right table? So list all program means we want all the program names. So we need to use this program at the right side of right join. Okay, let's see. Suppose we want to connect a teacher, that is uh, TEA. We are I'm using teacher in the left side because we are using right join, and we want all programs. So I am writing program table on the right side on teacher dot tid is a common column, and program dot tid. So let's see. It will fetch the data, but I have not mentioned the column name. So all column. So it will fetch all column with the right name. Here you can see that the all the program record are coming there. That is 19, and all the all the teacher name coming, that is where TID is matched with this TIDs. That's it. Okay, but we want a teacher name. We want a teacher name. Here we are using teacher and dot table name dot column name because we have here you can see that we have two column with TID. If I use here only TID, let's see, it give me an error. Column reference TID is ambiguous. So we need to specify here that the teacher column TID belong to teacher column dot column name. So that's why we are using always a uh, table name dot column name teacher dot t name. We want you in the query we want all teacher name and program name. Teacher dot t name and program dot p name. That's it. Okay. What if we reverse the table? Okay, let's reverse the table. So first take a program, and after that use a teacher table. Here you can see that there are 19 record. Let's see how many record now. It fetch it fetch 24 records. So all the table from teacher and match from the program. So that's why it fetching a 23 24 record. That's it. Suppose, can we use where condition? Okay, let's see with the help of example. So let's see with the help of same example where some condition where teacher teacher dot id is the now this is the um, left column. So if not this condition matched with any row, then it will return a zero rows. Otherwise return all program column and match teacher. Okay, let's see. Teacher dot tid equal to, suppose let's see which teacher IDs are available. Suppose let's use only one teacher dot tid equal to 1. Let's see. It giving me an two result that two teacher has that two teacher has the TID must be unique because primary key, but it fetches two result because I don't know. Neha. Okay, so yeah, it fetches the same teacher name Neha, but all the program name. So that's why Neha with graph also. Neha teaches graph also, and Neha teaches Scala also. That's why it fetch a two result. That's it. If I make here a 0, we know that 0 is not a primary key in table, so it fetches 0 result and not pname also. That's it. Let's take another example. Count all the students for each program. Count all the students for each program. Let's see. So we need to connect these two tables. But let's first select what is the right table. So we want all student. So right table is student. Okay, let's see. Select from right table is C is the student. So left table become a program from right join using right join. Now the right table is student. Let's let's use aliases of table name, program and student using the common column is SID student ID. Let's see. It fetches result, but we haven't specified any column. That we want count all student. That we want to count all student. That is s dot s name. That we want to count all student. So there are 21. There are 21 students for each program. So we can arrange according to the program name also. So p dot p name, but here one error occurs. Let's see what is that. We need to use this p name either in aggregate, that is we need to all aggregate, otherwise no aggregate, or order by class. Let's use in order by class or sorry group by class. group by p dot, or we can assign a column number 2, group by column number 2. Let's yeah all the so chemical has one student, graph has 6 student. That's it. Or we can arrange them in order by using order by p name also. The p name on second field, so order by p name. So A C E G P, like that. Okay, only matching data from the program table is coming there. So let's see next one. Get all the program teach by teacher name. Geeti, teach by Geeti ma'am. Let's see. Suppose we want all programs, so first column is teacher because this is right join. Right join teach program, that's we want all program. P using TID is a common. That's it. That's beyond all programs, so we can use pname p.pname. Let's run the query. Yeah, it give me an all program, that is uh, when we are connecting the table. So if I use here, let's fetch the teacher name also and arrange in ascending order, so that we can fetch a program associated with teacher, that we want all program teacher by teacher name Gite. Okay, let's run this first. We have a teacher name 2, order by teacher name, order by 2, that's it. Order by teacher name, Naina is first, so use Nutan. So we can use we have a Gite also. No, we have no teacher with Gite, so we can use here Nutan. Order by 2, the where condition comes before order by, so where order by where t dot t name equal to Nutan. Nutan if yes. Oh, but here there is no teacher Nutan. It tells that there is no teacher Nutan. All it fetch all the program, but only the match teacher. But using TID, it only fetches the common teacher name, and in teacher name there was a name Nutan, but in where condition it not fetch a teacher name Nutan. Now if I run this, then it will give a Nutan also here. Suppose use a Naina. Use a multiple teacher name. If the teacher ID is not matched, so from the program's teacher ID in the record, then it will fetch no result, because we know that if the match is not happen, then it will return a 0 rows, not program call, not program rows also. Okay, use a multiple values, Nutan, Naina, Nayan. That's it. Now let's run the query. Yes, but still it not fetching a data. Nehal, Nutan, Sneha. Now also it not fetching a data, so there is a no match found because of this right chain. If I use here join only, then it will works fine. Why? It's not working still. So let's change the condition from t name to where our p dot batch start column consider batch start also batch start greater than 1990. 0101. That's it. Now let's run the query. It will fetch a result. Why it's not filtering the Nina because there is no match found for every TID with every uh, for every program's TID. That's why it is giving an error or fetching a no value. That's it. Okay. Let's see what is the full join. So we are going to discuss a full join in next tutorial. Thank you.